Especially in larger departments with many desks, it can be difficult to find your reserved workspace. Thanks to the Find My Desk function, the GoBright Desk Connect Glow starts flashing, so that I can easily find my desk. As soon as I have checked in via the GoBright Desk Connect, my sitting and standing height preferences are also set. With one click on the Connect, my desk will automatically shift to my desired height. In this way, Desk Connect contributes to a healthy working environment. And it's a follow me system, so it doesn't matter which desk I want to work at. Any desk will recognize my preferences via the NFC tag. Sorry, I've got a video call right now. With the Do Not Disturb function, the Connect and the Glow turn blue, so my colleagues know that it's not the right time to disturb me. Alright, enough work for today. I'm heading home. By the way, it doesn't matter whether I check in or out on Connect via the GoBright mobile app or the NFC tag. Both work just as easily. Manage and create your personal and safe work environment with the GoBright Desk Connect. By the way, when all colleagues check in and out their desks, you never have to experience double bookings or unnecessary empty workplaces.